या तुम्ही पुढे. Give him the mic. तुम्ही बसा. What is it? आणा एक पायाखाली ठेव. आता असं करा की तुम्ही अथर्व शीर्ष म्हणा संस्कृत मध्ये आणि तीनदा म्हणा आणि तीनदा मध्ये जेवढे पाय धुतले जातील ह्या लोकांचे तेवढे धुवून आणलं ते. All the way he has brought the water of river Godavari which flows in the Nasik. Thamba, मी सांगते. In the river Nasik. You see, you know that where Sri Rama and Sri Sita and Lakshmana all lived there in Nasik. And this river is called as the Ganges of the south, Godavari. He's got the water from Godavari. See the vibrations flowing. In the country where the rivers even are mantras, their names are mantras. The whole credit goes to the saints of that country, to the people who lived so religiously and so much full of purity that the rivers, even if you take their names, the vibration. See? Why not one day Thames becomes that bad? Through your punyas, it should be done. Every particle of this earth should become vibrated through your punyas only. Now we have to see that for Sri Ganesha's thing, the people who have to worship, you have to see who are the people who have to worship. It's a difficult situation. कोणाला बोलवा पूजेला लहान लहान मुलांना बोलवा पाणी घालायला. Get the small children. That's the best. Come along, come along. Come along. Here, come along. Yes, yes. You both come along. Come, come. Come on. Come, come, come. Very good, great. Below 10 years. All right, sit down. Sit down. All of them should be below 10 years. All angels.
Come on, come on. Move on.
Not below 2, but below 10. All right, come, 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 all of you. Now, आता असं करा की आपण म्हटलं की त्याच्याबरोबर हे लोक माझा धुतील पाय. तुम्ही नुसतं पाणी होता. Now, come along, sit down, sit down. Come along. Very good, very good. Come along. All of you, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. Very good. Sit down, all of you. Very good children. Must say, tremendous they are, aren't they? Aha. Now one by one. Right? Now, what we are going to do is to wash Mataji's feet. All right? How do we wash? She's putting the water on my feet, and you just have to rub. All right? Come along. Now, 4 at a time. Now, who are the 4 at a time? No, she will put the water. Now you rub it. You rub my foot. Now, rub it. 1, 2.
Om Namaste Ganapataye. Tvameva Pratyaksham Tatvamasi. Tvameva Kevalam Kartasi. Tvameva Kevalam Dhartasi. Tvameva Kevalam Hartasi. Tvameva Sarvam Khalvidam Brahmasi. Tvam Sakshat Atmasi Nityam. Rutam Vachmi Satyam Vachmi Avatvam Mam Avavaktaram Avashrotaram Avadhataram Avadhataram Avanucha Namavashishyam Avapashyattat Avapurastat Avauttarotat Avadakshinotat Avachordhvatat Avodharatat Sarvato Mam Pahi Pahi Samantat Tvam Vangmayaha Tvam Chinmayaha Tvamanandamayaha Tvam Brahmamayaha Tvam Satchidanando Dvitiyosi Tvam Pratyaksham Brahmasi Tvam Jnanmayo Vijnanmayosi Sarvam Jagadidam Tvatto Jayate Sarvam Jagadidam Tvattastisthati Sarvam Jagadidam Tvai Layameshati Sarvam Jagadidam Tvai Pratyek.
Did you wash my feet? Alright, now you get it. Go at the back. Come along, help somebody.
Nalo Nilo Nabaha Tvam Chatvari Vakpradani Tvam Gunatrayatitaha
You washed it?
Tvam Avasthatrayatitaha
He has not.
Tvam Dehatrayatitaha
Should come forward.
Tvam Kalatrayatitaha Tvam Mooladhar Sthitosi Nityam Tvam Shaktitrayatmakaha Tvam Yogino Dhayanti Nityam Tvam Brahmaha Tvam Vishnuhu Tvam Rudraha Tvam Indraha Tvam Agnihi Tvam Vayuhu Tvam Suryaha Tvam Chandramaha Tvam Brahma Bhuva Svaro Ganadim Purvamucharya Varnadim Tadanantaram Anuswara Parataraha Ardhendulasitam Karena Ruddham Etattava Manusvarupam Gakara Purvarupam Akaro Madhyamarupam Anuswara Chantarupam Bindur Uttarupam Nada Sandana Samhita Sandhi Saisha Ganesha Vidya Ganakarushi Nichru Gayatri Chandaha Ganapatir Devata Om Gam Ganpataye Namaha Ekadantaya Vidmahe Vakratundaya Dhimahi Tanno Danti Prachodayat Ekadantam Chaturhastam Pashamang Kushadharanam Radam Cha Varadam Hastair Vibranam Mushakadvajaha Raktam Lambodaram Surpakarnakam Raktavasasam Raktagandhanuliptangam Raktapushpai Supujitam Bhaktanukampinam Devam Jagatkaranamuchatam Avirbhutau cha srushtyaadau prakrute purushatparam evam dhyayati yo nityam sayogi yoginam varaha Namo Vratpataye Namo Ganpataye Namo Prathamapataye Namah Astu Lambodharaya Ekadantaya Vignanashine Shivasutaya Varadamurtaye Namah.
Alright, now stop.
Om Badram Karne Vishrunuyam Devam Badram Pashyamakshbhirya Jatraha स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवां स्तनूभिर्व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवः स्वस्ति न पूषो विश्ववेदः स्वस्ति न तार्क्ष्योररिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्ददातु सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम नमस्ते गणपतये त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं तत्त्वमसि त्वमेव केवलं कर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं धर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं हर्तासि त्वमेव सर्वं खल्विदं ब्रह्मासि त्वं साक्षात् आत्मासि नित्यं ऋतं वच्मि सत्यं वच्मि अवत्वं माम् अववक्तारम् अवश्रोतारम् अवदातारम् अवधातारम् अवानुचानमवशिष्यम् अवपश्चात्तात् अवपुरस्तात् अवोत्तरोत्तात् अवदक्षिणोत्तात् अवोद्धरात्तात् सर्वतो मां पाहि पाहि समन्तात् त्वं वाङ्मयः त्वं चिन्मयः त्वमानन्दमयः त्वं ब्रह्ममयः त्वं सच्चिदानन्दो द्वितीयोऽसि त्वं प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वं ज्ञानमयो विज्ञानमयोऽसि सर्वं जगदिदं त्वत्तो जायते सर्वं जगदिदं त्वत्तस्तिष्ठति सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि लयमेष्यति सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि प्रत्येति त्वं भूमिरापो नलो निलो नभः त्वं चत्वारि वाक्प्रदानि त्वं गुणत्रयातीतः त्वमवस्थात्रयातीतः त्वं देहत्रयातीतः त्वं कालत्रयातीतः त्वं मूलाधारस्थितोऽसि नित्यं त्वं शक्तित्रयात्मकः त्वां योगिनो ध्यायन्ति नित्यं त्वं ब्रह्मः त्वं विष्णुः त्वं रुद्रः त्वं इन्द्रः त्वं अग्निः त्वं वायुः त्वं सूर्यः त्वं चन्द्रमः त्वं ब्रह्मभूर्भुवस्वरो गणादिं पूर्वमुच्चार्य वर्णादिं तदनन्तरम् अनुस्वार परतरः अर्धेन्दुलसितं तारेण रुद्धम् एतत्तव मनुस्वरूपं गकारः पूर्वरूपम् अकारो मध्यमरूपम् अनुस्वार चान्त्यरूपं बिन्दुर उत्तररूपं नादः सन्दानः संहिता सन्धि सैषा गणेश विद्या गणकऋषिः निच्छ्रुत गायत्री छन्दः गणपतिर्देवता ओम गं गणपतये नमः एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ती प्रचोदयात् एकदन्तं चतुर्हस्तं पाशमङ्कुशधारणं रदं च वरदं हस्तैर्बिभ्राणं मूषकध्वजः रक्तं लम्बोदरं शूर्पकर्णकं रक्तवाससं रक्तगन्धानुलिप्ताङ्गं रक्तपुष्पैः सुपूजितं भक्तानुकम्पिनं देवं जगत्कारणमुच्यतम् आविर्भूतौ च सृष्ट्यादौ प्रकृते पुरुषात् परम् एवं ध्यायति यो नित्यं स योगी योगिनां वरः नमो व्रात्पतये नमो गणपतये नमो प्रथमपतये नमः अस्तु लंबोदराय एकदन्ताय विघ्ननाशिने शिवसुताय वरदमूर्तये नमः ओम भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवां भद्रं पश्यमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवां स्तनूभिर्व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवः स्वस्ति न पूषा विश्ववेदः स्वस्ति न तार्क्ष्योररिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्ददातु सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम नमस्ते गणपतये त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं तत्त्वमसि त्वमेव केवलं कर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं धर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं हर्तासि त्वमेव सर्वं खल्विदं ब्रह्मासि त्वं साक्षात् आत्मासि नित्यं। ऋतं वच्मि सत्यं वच्मि अवत्वं माम् अववक्तारम् अवश्रोतारम् अवदातारम् अवधातारम् अवानुचानमवशिष्यम् अवपश्चात् अवपुरस्तात् अवउत्तरोत्तात् अवदक्षिणोत्तात् अवचोर्ध्वात्तात् अवोद्धरात्तात् सर्वतो मां पाहि पाहि समन्तात्। त्वं वाङ्मयः त्वं चिन्मयः त्वमानन्दमयः त्वं ब्रह्ममयः त्वं सच्चिदानन्दो द्वितीयोऽसि त्वं प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वं ज्ञानमयो विज्ञानमयोऽसि। सर्वं जगदिदं त्वत्तो जायते सर्वं जगदिदं त्वत्तस्तिष्ठति सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि प्रत्येति सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयि लयमेशति। त्वं भूमिरापो नलो नीलो नभः त्वं चत्वारि वाक्प्रदानि त्वं गुणत्रयातीतः त्वमवस्थात्रयातीतः त्वं देहत्रयातीतः त्वं कालत्रयातीतः त्वं मूलाधारस्थितोऽसि नित्यं त्वं शक्तित्रयात्मकः त्वां योगिनो ध्यायन्ति नित्यं। त्वं ब्रह्मः त्वं विष्णुः त्वं रुद्रः त्वं इन्द्रः त्वं अग्निः त्वं वायुः त्वं सूर्यः त्वं चन्द्रमः त्वं ब्रह्मभूर्भुवस्वरो। गणादिं पूर्वमुच्चार्य वर्णादिं तदनन्तरम् अनुस्वार परतरः अर्धेन्दुलसितं तारेण रुद्धम् एतत्तव मनुस्वरूपं गकारः पूर्वरूपम् अकारो मध्यमरूपम् अनुस्वार चान्त्यरूपम् बिन्दुर् उत्तररूपम् नादः संदानः संहिता सन्धि सैषा गणेश विद्या गणकऋषिः निच्छ्रुत गायत्री छन्दः गणपतिर्देवता। ओम गं गणपतये नमः एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ती प्रचोदयात्। एकदन्तं चतुर्हस्तं पाशमङ्कुशधारणं रदं च वरदं हस्तैर्बिभ्राणं मूषकध्वजः रक्तं लम्बोदरं शूर्पकर्णकं रक्तवाससं रक्तगन्धानुलिप्ताङ्गं रक्तपुष्पैः सुपूजितं भक्तानुकम्पिनं देवं जगत्कारणमुच्यतम्। आविर्भूतौ च सृष्ट्यादौ प्रकृते पुरुषात् परम् एवं ध्यायति यो नित्यं स योगी योगिनां वरः। नमो व्रात्पतये नमो गणपतये नमो प्रथमपतये नमः। अस्तु लंबोदराय एकदन्ताय विघ्ननाशिने शिवसुताय वरदमूर्तये नमः। ओम भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवां भद्रं पश्यमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवां स्तनुभिर्व्यसेम देवहितं यदायुः। स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवः स्वस्ति न पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति न तार्क्ष्योररिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्ददातु सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ओम शांति शांति शांति.
The English मध्ये whatever you have in English you can read it out. Everybody must keep quiet, all right? Those who keep quiet can sit here. Now, Athena, look at her. She's sitting very sweetly, isn't she?
With our ears hear that which is true, with our eyes see that which is
Loudly, Gavi.
pure. Let our beings praise that which is divine. God. Let us worship with the same song, the same strength, and the same knowledge. And let our meditation enlighten and enrich. Let there be amongst us compassion and peace.
Vibrations cut.
Now the prayer.
Vibrations cut.
Salutation Sri Ganesh. Sakshat Sri Jesus. Sakshat Sri Nirmala Devi, Namo Namah. It is you who is the beginning of all the beginnings.
Come.
It is you who is the doer of all deeds which have been done, are being done, and will be done. It is you who supports all things that are supported. It is you who protects all things that are protected. It is you who is the complete, all-pervading Spirit,
Come here.
God's divine
Don't
energy.
put your hand. What's in the mouth?
Think clearly, brain. Speak only the truth. Let your presence awakened in us by Kundalini speak. Let your presence awakened in us by Kundalini listen.
Sit down. Let him come. Just look at him. How quiet.
Let your presence awakened in us by Kundalini bless. Let your presence awakened in us by Kundalini protect. Let your presence awakened by Kundalini in us, your disciples, be the disciple. You are the essence of all the sacred literature and holy words, and you are the energy that understands the holy words. You are the divine combination of complete truth, complete happiness, and complete energy, and you are beyond. You are all knowledge, and you are the use to which the knowledge is put. You exist until the end of all things, and after the end of all things you are. You create the end of all things, and after the end of all things you remain indifferent. You are the earth, you are the water, you are the fire, you are the air, and you are the space above the air. You are the gunas, and you are beyond the gunas. You are the body,
Let everyone.
and you are beyond the body.
Everyone.
You are the essence of time, and you are beyond time.
Let them do it also.
You and only you exist at the Muladhara chakra. You are the Spirit, and you are beyond the Spirit. And those who would join God meditate upon you. You are Brahman, Vishnu, Rudra. You are Indra, Agni, Vayu. You are the sun at noon. You are the full moon. Through all of these and more, you are the all-pervading energy of innocence and wisdom. You are the divine servant who stoops to wash the feet of saints.
Come here.
You are the tiny
Come
core
on,
of all
rub my
things
foot.
without which
Come
the
on.
larger have no
Come,
purpose.
rub my foot. Come
You are
here
the key
this
to
way.
the libraries of all the
Rub my
scriptures without which the
See?
truth is
Nice
hidden.
girl. She does it.
You are the full
Everybody.
stop which
Come,
completes
sit
the
down.
sentence
Sit
and
down.
without which the
Now see
sentence
how
loses its
Nanak
meaning.
is doing. Rubbing my.
You are the crescent moon.
Come now.
You are the stars. And you are beyond the stars.
Rub it hard.
All things from tiny
Hard,
dot to
hard,
universe is you.
Hard. Both the hands.
You are the future and beyond the future. You are in all forms. You are where the sounds combine. You are the silence between the sounds. You are the rhythm of all music and all prayers. This is the knowledge of Nirmal Ganesh. And you, Nirmal Ganesh, are the master of that knowledge and all knowledge. You are the God.
Sit down, come.
And you are the goddess. Om Gam Nirmal Ganapataye. To your powers, Ganesha, let all surrender. Let the left side of memory and the right side of action surrender to you, and let your enlightenment prevail. Your first tooth you have, and 4 hands, one holding a rope, the second a goad, the third is raised in blessing, and the 4th offers sustenance. Your banner is that of a humble mouse. You have long ears and are clothed in red. Red decorates you, and you are worshipped with red flowers.
They'll make a mess.
You have compassion for those who love you, and it is for those who love you that you come to this earth. You are the force that creates, the energy that pervades, and the spirit that protects. Those who seek union with God pray through you. Those who seek union with God worship you. Om Gyam Nirmal Jesasya. To your powers, Om Jesus, let all surrender. Let the left side of memory and the right side of action surrender to you, and let your enlightenment prevail. You are the word that was the beginning. You are the word that will be the ending. You are he who was born of a virgin and died on the cross. You are he who absorbs all sins and who died to live again. You are God and man, and you are worshipped with red flowers. You have compassion for those who love you, and it is for those who love you that you come to this earth. You are the force that creates, the energy that pervades, and the spirit that protects. Those who seek union with God pray through you. Those who seek union with God worship you. Shri Ganesha, salutation to you. Shri Jesus, salutation to you. He who is the beginning of all worship, salutation to you. He who destroys all the powers of evil, salutation to you. Sakshat Son of Lord Shiva, who is unending blessings, salutation to you. Sakshat Son of Mary Mataji, who is unending love, salutation to you. Sakshat Mataji Nirmala Devi, who is unending joy, salutation to you.
You can say the 108 names of Sri Ganesha. The translation would be better. Swasti.
Om Tameva Sakshat Shri Ganesha Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. You are the one to be worshipped first, obeisance to you again and again. You are the word that was in the beginning, obeisance to you again and again. You are the Omkara.
Now here, one has to see the first is Sadashiva. Then comes Adishakti. And Adishakti creates Sri Ganesh. But still first to worship is Sri Ganesh. How important it is.
You are the Omkara, obeisance to you again and again. You are the source of life, obeisance to you again and again. You are the source of security, obeisance to you again and again. You are worshipped with red flowers. Obeisance to you again and again. You are adored by yogis and yoginis. Obeisance to you again and again. You are the support of the root and the support of the fruit. Obeisance to you again and again. You are the auspiciousness and the bestower of auspiciousness. Obeisance to you again and again. You are wisdom and the bestower of wisdom. Obeisance to you again and again. You are innocence and the bestower of innocence. Obeisance to you again and again. You make holy what evil had soiled. Obeisance to you again and again. You build anew what was destroyed. Obeisance to you again and again. You resurrect the innocence that was lost. Obeisance to you again and again. You are the Lord of chastity. Obeisance to you again and again. You are the bestower of the inner paradise. Obeisance to you again and again. You are the refuge of all. Obeisance to you again and again. You have compassion for your devotees. Obeisance to you again and again. You are the giver of satisfaction and fulfillment. Obeisance to you again and again. You are the beloved son of Mahagauri. Obeisance to you again and again. You are the greatest pupil of Mahasaraswati. Obeisance to you again and again. You are the guardian of Mahalakshmi. Obeisance to you again and again. You are listened to by Adi Kundalini. Obeisance to you again and again. You are manifested in the four heads of Brahmadeva. Obeisance to you again and again. You are the foremost disciple of Shiva. Obeisance to you again and again. You are the glory of Mahavishnu. Obeisance to you again and again. You are the bond of love between Rama and his brothers. Obeisance to you again and again. You lead the dance of Krishna's gopis. Obeisance to you again and again. You are Jesus the child and Christ the King. Obeisance to you again and again. You fill the nets of Jesus' disciples. Obeisance to you again and again. You reside in all the deities. Obeisance to you again and again. You are the house of yoga. Obeisance to you again and again. You are the substance of the Adiguru. Obeisance to you again and again. You become the Adiguru to reveal your mother. Obeisance to you again and again. You only know how to worship your mother. Obeisance to you again and again. You only know your mother. Obeisance to you again and again. You are the joy of your mother. Obeisance to you again and again. You live on the complete blessings of your mother. Obeisance to you again and again. You live in the present, which is the presence of God. Obeisance to you again and again. You are the foundation of the Sangha. Obeisance to you again and again. You are the body of Dharma. Obeisance to you again and again. You are the essence of Buddha. Obeisance to you again and again. You are Sahaja. Obeisance to you again and again. You are the primordial friend. Obeisance to you again and again. You create the sphere of Sahaja Yoga. Obeisance to you again and again. You are the honesty of Sahaja Yoga. Obeisance to you again and again. You are the eldest brother of the Sahaja Yogis. Obeisance to you again and again. You bestow the Shakti of chastity upon the Sahaja Yogis. Obeisance to you again and again.
These are not the ones.
You are pleased by humility. Obeisance to you again and again. You are pleased by simplicity. Obeisance to you again and again. You grant the knowledge of pure love. Obeisance to you again and again. You grant the love of pure knowledge. Obeisance to you again and again. You are beyond grasp. Obeisance to you again and again. You are beyond temptations. Obeisance to you again and again. You are beyond imagination. Obeisance to you again and again. You challenge, defeat and punish negativity. Obeisance to you again and again. You watch the gates of hell. Obeisance to you again and again. You open and close the gates of hell. Obeisance to you again and again. That which is not within you is hell. Obeisance to you again and again. You are the Lord of the Ganas. Obeisance to you again and again. You grant the subtlety of discretion. Obeisance to you again and again. You remove all the obstacles. Obeisance to you again and again. You bless the sanctity of the marriage union. Obeisance to you again and again. You call on this earth the realized souls. Obeisance to you again and again. You are the dignity of childhood eternal. Obeisance to you again and again. You are the Lord of Maharashtra. Obeisance to you again and again. You are complete and perfect. Obeisance to you again and again. You do not tolerate fanaticism, especially in Sahaja-yogis. Obeisance to you again and again. You play and see the play. Obeisance to you again and again. You are magnetic and fascinating. Obeisance to you again and again. You are the beloved one. Obeisance to you again and again. You are the quality that makes love enchanting. Obeisance to you again and again. You are the power of all bandhans. Obeisance to you again and again. You are the saviour of our attention. Obeisance to you again and again. You have a prominent belly expressing contentment. Obeisance to you again and again. You are fond of kusha grass, which is Mother Earth's green sari. Obeisance to you again and again. You are fond of laddus because you are the essence of sweetness. Obeisance to you again and again. You are fond of dancing for your mother's delight. Obeisance to you again and again. You fan your ears to make the Chaitanya blow. Obeisance to you again and again. You have one task, to lift us out of samsara. Obeisance to you again and again. You hold many weapons for the doom of evildoers. Obeisance to you again and again. You are the guardian of the sanctum sanctorium. Obeisance to you again and again. You shine like 1,000 suns. Obeisance to you again and again. You rule over a galaxy of lotuses. Obeisance to you again and again. You bestow upon the seekers the power to become lotuses. Obeisance to you again and again. You are the remembrance of God within all seekers. Obeisance to you again and again. You sustain the hope for God during the quest. Obeisance to you again and again. You destroy the impurity of Kali Yuga. Obeisance to you again and again. You are the bestower of boons. Obeisance to you again and again. You are the bestower of absolute happiness. Obeisance to you again and again. You gave an infinitesimal fraction of your power to Manmatha, and he conquered the world. Obeisance to you again and again. You give to love its power of attraction. Obeisance to you again and again. You are the purity of love immaculate. Obeisance to you again and again. You are the love that soothes, nourishes and elevates to God. Obeisance to you again and again. You are the love by which we recognize God. Obeisance to you again and again. You are the vessel of sacred adoration. Obeisance to you again and again. You are lost in the goddess's darshan. Obeisance to you again and again. You bring the yogi to the goddess's darshan. Obeisance to you again and again. You grant the darshan of the form and the formless. Obeisance to you again and again. You grant the darshan of Sri Nirmala Ma and of Sri Nirguna. Obeisance to you again and again. You are the master of protocol of Adishakti Nirmala Devi. Obeisance to you again and again. You are the foremost knower of Adishakti Nirmala Devi. Obeisance to you again and again. You witness the awesome greatness of Adishakti Nirmala Devi. Obeisance to you again and again. You allow the Divine Mother to feel her motherhood. Obeisance to you again and again. You allow the Divine Father to enjoy her creation. Obeisance to you again and again. You allow the Sahaja-yogis to melt into you. Obeisance to you again and again. You are the owner of God as the child owns his mother. Obeisance to you again and again. You are fond of playing with your mother Nirmala in the snowy regions of Sahasrara. Obeisance to you again and again.
When we say this, we have to realize what we are saying. We have to be one with it. As your realization takes place, also these words get realization. They become auspicious, they become mantras, they become your power. So when you are saying all this, do not just say it because it has to be said, but from within. So they become your Shakti, your power. Even once you say it, it should work out. It should not be just a sort of a ritualistic thing. It must be, mantra means the one which has got enlightenment. The words which are enlightened are mantras. So words must be said from the heart, with the feeling that you are saying, with understanding. And the whole capacity of that is to be exposed when you say that, so that it becomes a kind of a power for you. These are all your powers. So now Devi is there, 8 names if you can say. And somebody can join him. Anyone? To Asakara. Warren, can you join? Or someone who knows how to do it. First take the name. Alright? Say the name. तुम्ही संस्कृतात पहिल्यांदा एक नाव घ्यायचं. जैन म्हणते हे मंत्र म्हणते. तुम्ही नाव घ्यायचं, त्याच्यानंतर हा इंग्लिशमध्ये सांगेल काय. लेट हिम टेक द नेम and then you say it in English. And then they say the mantra. First they tell you the name, then it will be translated.
Shri Mata.
Sacred Mother, she not only gives every good thing that a loving mother gives to her child, but also the highest knowledge, Brahma Vidya, the knowledge of divine vibrations to her devotees.
Shri Maharadni.
No, आता त्यांना म्हणू द्या. Now you say the mantra of Shri Mata.
Tvameva Sakshat Shri Mata Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devai Namo Namah. Shri Maharadni.
The great Empress, she who rules the entire universe.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Maharadni Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Devakarya Samuddhata.
She emerges for a divine purpose. She appears in her great splendor when all the divine forces are helpless and unable to eradicate wickedness.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Devakarya Samudyata Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devai Namo Namah. Akula.
One who is beyond Kula, that is, measurable dimensionality, who resides in the head, in the Sahasrara.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Akula Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devai Namo Namah. Nitya.
Eternal.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Nitya Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devai Namo Namah. Bhavani.
The Queen of Bhava, Lord Shiva, giver of life.
Bhavani.
Giver of life to the whole universe.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Bhavani Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Vishnu Granthi Vibhedini.
She cuts the knot of illusion, of Maya, of Sri Vishnu. Then the devotee perceives the unreality of his individuality as body, mind, and present incarnation. He loses the consciousness of the limited I-ness.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Vishnu Granthi Vibhedini Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devai Namo Namah. Bhakti Priya.
She is fond of devotees.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Bhakti Priya Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devai Namo Namah. Bhakti Gamya.
She is realized by devotion.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Bhakti Gamya Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devai Namo Namah. Nirlepa.
She is untouched by various karmas and dualisms.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Nirmala Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devai Namo Namah. Shramadayini.
She is the giver of happiness, including divine bliss.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Shramadayini Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devai Namo Namah. Niradhara.
Unsupported. She is the support of the universe. She is pure consciousness, unformulated and undifferentiated.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Niradhara Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devai Namo Namah. Niranjana,
unstained by any limitations whatsoever.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Niranjana Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devai Namo Namaha. Mahapatak Nashini,
She destroys the greatest of sins.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Mahapatakanaşini Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devai Namo Namaha. Nirmala,
Pure.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Nirmala Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devai Namo Namaha. Nirahankara,
Without ego.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Nirahankara Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devai Namo Namaha. Nishkalanka,
Faultless brilliance.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Nishkalanka Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devai Namo Namaha. Nirakara,
She is formless.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Nirakara Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devai Namo Namaha. Nirakula,
Unruffled.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Nirakula Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devai Namo Namaha. Nirvikara,
She is changeless, but the unchanging basis of all changes.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Nirvikara Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devai Namo Namaha. Nirguna,
Attributeless, beyond the three gunas and the three nadis, Ida, Pingala and Sushumna, she is consciousness devoid of the qualities and attributes of the mind.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Nirguna Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devai Namo Namaha. Nirupalava,
Indestructible.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Nirupalavya Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devai Namo Namaha. Nishkala,
Indivisible, complete.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Nishkala Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devai Namo Namaha. Nishkama,
Nothing to desire, having everything.
Om Tvameva Sakshat श्री निष्कामा साक्षात श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। नित्य मुक्ता,
ever free, and her devotees are ever free.
ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री नित्य मुक्ता साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। लीला विनोदिनी, ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री लीला विनोदिनी साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। निराश्रया,
She has no basis as she is everything.
ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री निराश्रया साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। निरंतरा,
She is undifferentiated.
ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री निरंजना साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। निष्कर्णा,
She is causeless, the cause of all causes.
ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री निष्कर्णा साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। निरुपथि,
She is alone, without Maya, the basis of plurality.
ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री निरुपतिथि साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। निरीश्वरा,
She is supreme.
ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री निरीश्वरा साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। निरागा,
Unattached.
ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री निरागा साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। निर्मदा,
Prideless.
ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री निर्मदा साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। निस्तूला,
Unequaled.
ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री निष्कला साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। गंभीरा,
Bottomless depth. In the scriptures, the Great Mother is visualized as a great and bottomless lake of consciousness, uncomprehended by space and time.
ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री गंभीरा साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। निश्चिंता,
without any anxiety.
ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री निश्चिंता साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देवै नमो नमः। निर्मोहा,
Without any illusions, such as mistaking the unreal for the real.
ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री निर्मोहा साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देवै नमो नमः। निर्ममा,
Without selfishness.
ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री निर्ममा साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देवै नमो नमः। निष्पापा,
Papam is ignorance or avidya. She is devoid of that.
ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री निष्पापा साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देवै नमो नमः। निस्संशया,
Having no doubts.
ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री निस्संशया साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देवै नमो नमः। निर्भवा,
Unborn.
ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री निर्भवा साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देवै नमो नमः। निर्बाधा,
Untroubled.
ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री निर्बाधा साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देवै नमो नमः। निर्विकल्पा,
She has no mental activities.
ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री निर्विकल्पा साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देवै नमो नमः। निष्परिग्रहा,
She takes nothing since she needs nothing, as she is the Purnakama who has everything. Devotees also become Nishparigraha.
ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री निष्परिग्रहा साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देवै नमो नमः। निर्नाशा,
Deathless.
ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री निर्नाशा साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देवै नमो नमः। निरापाया,
Beyond dangers.
ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री निरापाया साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देवै नमो नमः। निष्क्रिया,
Beyond all actions, not involved in any action.
ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री निष्क्रिया साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देवी Nilachikura.
dark-haired.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Nilachikura Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Nirattaya.
Impossible to cross or transgress.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Nirattaya Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Mahamaya.
The supreme creator of illusion and confusion, even to the greatest of gods.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Mahamaya Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Vijaya.
The element of success in all actions.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Vijaya Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Sandra Karuna.
Intensely compassionate to her devotees.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Sandra Karuna Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Mahashakti.
The great power.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Mahashakti Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Bhagavati.
The matrix of the universe, worshipped by all, including gods.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Bhagavati Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Sukhaprada.
She confers happiness or bliss or moksha, which is the bliss of liberation.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Sukhaprada Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Padmasana.
She is seated in the lotuses, the chakras.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Padmasana Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Lokatita.
She transcends all created universes. Also, she is seated above Sahasrara.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Lokatita Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Mahararthi.
The greatest bliss, that is, beyond all sense pleasures.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Mahararthi Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Vishwarupa.
Universe is her form, and also the individual self. The Vishwa is the wakeful, in the wakeful state, which is her form.
ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् विश्वरूपा साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः। रक्षकरी,
she is the savior.
ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री रक्षकरी साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः। राक्षसाग्नि,
The slayer of the evil forces, who are the Rakshasas, the demons.
ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री राक्षसाग्नि साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः। पराशक्ति,
The ultimate power, the energy manifested in every particle, as well as the primordial vibration, is she.
ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री पराशक्ति साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः। योगदा,
One who gives yoga or union of the individual soul, the Jivatma, with the Paramatma, the cosmic spirit.
ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री योगदा साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः। परमेश्वरी,
The ultimate ruler,
ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री परमेश्वरी साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः। पुण्यलभ्या,
attained by the meritorious or righteous. She is worshipped as a result of good actions in previous lives.
ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री पुण्यलभ्या साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः। सुखाराध्या,
She can be worshipped comfortably by Anta Yoga, the inner yoga, without putting the body to any strain.
ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री सुखाराध्या साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः। अचिन्त्या रूपा,
Inaccessible to thought, since mind, the instrument of thought, is her creation.
ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री अचिन्त्यरूपा साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः। एकाकिनी,
Alone, the unitary basis of the plurality of the universe.
ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री एकाकिनी साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः। आदिशक्ति,
The primal power, being the first cause.
ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः। गुरुमूर्ति,
of the form of Guru. Every Guru is the goddess herself.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Guru Murti Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Shobhana Sulabha Gati.
The easiest path to self-realization.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Shobhana Sulabha Gati Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Chandika.
Angry with evil forces.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Chandika Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Trigunatmika.
When she becomes the creation, she assumes the form of the three gunas, the moods, Sattva Guna, Rajaguna and Tamaguna, which correspond in the human body to the three channels of the autonomic nervous system.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Trigunatmika Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Mahati.
The great, immeasurable, supreme object of attention and worship.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Mahati Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Prana Rupini.
Of the form of the divine breath of life.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Prana Rupini Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Shubhakari.
The beneficent. The greatest good is the realization of the ultimate, and she grants that to the devotees.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Shubhakari Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Shamatmika.
Peace is her essence. Devotees with their minds at peace are her abode.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Shamatmika Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Satchidananda Rupini.
Sat is absolute truth. Chit is the consciousness. Ananda is the bliss. These are the three components of the ultimate. They are therefore her forms.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Satchidananda Rupini Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Veeramata.
Veera means devotees who are competent and who can lead the battle against the evil forces. She is their mother. Sri Ganesha is also called Veera.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Veeramata Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Garvita.
Proud as the creatrix of the universe.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Adhika Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Paramanu.
The ultimate atom, too minute to be comprehended.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Paramanu Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Kshipra Prasadini.
She who showers grace on her devotees very quickly.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Kshipra Prasadini Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Sadashiva.
The sacred spouse of Sadashiva.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Sadashiva Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Vishwagarbha.
The entire universe is within her, as she is the mother of the universe.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Vishwagarbha Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Swabhava Madhura.
Natural sweetness, Ananda. She resides in the heart of her devotees as bliss.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Svabhava Madhura Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Pushti.
Nourishment. It is she who nourishes the jiva by divine vibrations.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Pushti Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Dhir Samaj Archiya.
Worshipped by the wise and the brave, meaning she cannot be worshipped by the cowardly and the stupid.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Dhira Samajaya Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Nitya Yuvana.
Ever young, untouched by time, as it is her creation.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Nitya Yuvana Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Vishwa Sakshini.
The silent witness of the action of the universe.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Vishwa Sakshini Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Vishwagarsa.
She devours the universe at the time of pralaya, the ultimate dissolution.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Vishwagarsa Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Sudha Shruti.
the ambrosial stream or flow of bliss resulting from meditation on the great goddess in the Sastra.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Sudha Shruti Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Shashwati,
Ever present, continuous.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Shashwati Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Parmodhara,
Of supreme generosity, who readily responds to the prayers of her devotees.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Paramodhara Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Dharmadhara,
Dharma is the code of right conduct handed down by tradition in each age. She is the support of that.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Dharmadhara Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Swastha,
Swa means self. Sa means established. She is established in herself. Also, she establishes self in the devotees.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Swastha Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Pashahantri,
One who destroys pasha or bonds and gives liberation or moksha.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Pashahantri Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Pavanakirti,
Sacred form, the purest, which washes away all sins.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Pavanakirti Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Chandra Nibha,
Luminous like the moon.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Chandra Nibha Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Ravi Pakhiya, Prakhya,
Effulgent like the sun.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Ravi Prakhya Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Mahapuja,
Worshipped by the highest, the Trimurtis, Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesha.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Mahapuja Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Chitta Shakti,
The power of consciousness that dispels ignorance and confusion.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Chitta Shakti Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Lajja.
Bashful modesty. She resides in all beings as modest chastity.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Lajja Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Vimala.
Clean, pure and untouched.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Vimala Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Varada.
The giver of boons.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Varada Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Mahadevi.
The greatest of goddesses, infinite.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Mahadevi Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Vilasini.
The universe is her pleasure, or she, at her pleasure, either opens or closes the way to self-realization.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Vilasini Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Vandrujana Vatsala.
She loves her devotees as her children.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Vandrujana Vatsala Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Sahaja Yoga Dayini.
She grants spontaneous self-realization.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Sahaja Yoga Dayini Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah.
The last but not the least. The last but not the least is Vishwa Nirmala Dharmas Prastapini, the one who establishes Vishwa Nirmala Dharma.
Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Vishwa Nirmala Dharma Sakshini Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. बोला जगन माता श्री निर्मला देवी की जय.
मिसेस सांगवी ना सांगा या साड्या बिड्यांचं करायला ओटी बिट्टी भरायची. Now those who want to take my photograph without flowers of my feet can do it. Bhai ka kya? Married ladies have to come forward. One each from every country would be a better idea. I would suggest that let the ladies साथ बायका पाहिजे. एक इंग्लिश पाहिला येऊ द्या, इंग्लंडतर्फे इंग्लिश पाहिजे इंग्लंडतर्फे मागता लागेल, मागता ठीक तिचा नवरा पण आहे. आणखीन वन फ्रॉम फ्रान्स and one from Germany, one from Spain, nobody must be there, one from